Hey everybody, my name is Matthew Graham and I'm the Greenpower teacher at Long Cane Middle School, and my room is room 300 right next to the media center. It used to be Mr. Wallace's old room. Now you may be wondering, what in the world is Greenpower and what's it all about? Well, in my opinion, it's one of the most exciting STEM classes that we offer here at Long Cane Middle School. It's a very hands-on class where students are exposed to the exciting world of engineering and innovation through designing, building, and racing a real 8-foot-long, single-seat, student-driven electric race car. Basically, it's teaching STEM through motorsports, and there's nothing else like it. So this year I'll be teaching two different types of Greenpower classes. One will be the Cougar Strong Racing Team classes like we've had in the past, and the other is a brand new 9-week elective class. Now for the Cougar Strong Racing Team classes like we've had in the past, students will be working on a race car and producing team presentations for each race event. And so we'll be looking for boys and girls of all skill levels, even if you have no experience. We need drivers, project managers, a crew chief, mechanics, a presentation team, data managers, students who are good with website work, video editing, and students who are good at public speaking, and students who would like to get better at it. One thing is for sure, there's truly a place for every student in this class, and you'll come out of it with a greater self-confidence and skills that will be help you to be better prepared for the future. Now in a normal year, we would be traveling around the Southeast to 8 to 10 race events, but with everything that's going on, we'll have to wait and see what our race schedule is going to look like. We don't know for 100% yet, so we'll see how that goes. Now our race team classes, they'll run all year long, and students must submit an application to join. Now you can visit cougarstrongracing.com for more details on that. Now for the last 2 years in a row, we've had the #1 and the #2 cars in the country, and so we'll be looking to continue that tradition, and we need some rock solid students who want to be a part of it. Now the second Greenpower class that I'll be teaching this year is a brand new 9-week elective class that is going to allow us the opportunity to share this Greenpower experience or part of it with another 240 students per year. In this class, students will actually get to take one of these F-24 kits and build it from scratch, and they'll get to drive it at the end of the quarter. And we've got a lot of other activities built into this class that students are going to get to participate in, and it's just going to be so much fun. It may end up being one of your very favorite classes. If you have any other questions, you can email me at grahamma@troop.org, and I can't wait to meet all you guys very soon.